Seawater is full of small marine organisms which can pose a very real threat to a wooden boat. They live on, burrow into, and eat any rope or wood which remains in contact with the water for any period of time. The team have started carrying out initial tests. To examine the durability of rope made from natural fibres, they've suspended lengths in seawater.
That is ropes treated with different oils. We have that one is, you see, this rope. That is Manila, and after 3 months is weak, and that is without treatment. The most strong ropes are the one without treatments, probably because the oil provide food to marine organisms, and that make the rope weaker, I guess.
The results aren't encouraging. Likewise, the wood of the hull will also be in contact with water for a long period of time, and it's important that it's protected with a special coating. This anti-fouling agent, as it's known, is applied directly on the hull. Particularly in the warm waters of the Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean, marine creatures such as the teredo worm can reduce unprotected wood to pulp within months. Throughout the region, the anti-fouling agent commonly used is called tunum, and it's made from a mixture of lime and oil. The lime powder comes from burnt seashells. The oil can be derived from either plants, fish or animals. Here in the Middle East, goat fat is often used. First, the fat is melted over a fire. Lime is added slowly and stirred in until it reaches the consistency of a thick paste. Once all the powder is worked in, it's allowed to sit until cool. Now it can be applied, usually by hand, on the hull of the vessel. But tunum has an extra and unexpected property. If more lime is worked into the mixture and kneaded like bread dough and beaten for up to 3 hours, a chemical change occurs. It turns into a natural form of putty. This can then be applied as a waterproofing agent to seams and stitching holes in the vessel. It's important that the team test the anti-fouling agent before it's applied to the boat, so that they can gauge its effectiveness and durability. Two planks are lashed together in the same manner as they would be in the boat construction, and then a waterproof box is built around them. The interior is then coated with the anti-fouling agent tunum, filled with seawater and left to sit for weeks. This will then provide information on the watertightness of the joint and the effect that seawater will have on the materials used.